Did you know that 60% of people who break up with someone later regret it? It's true. But here's the twist: those who move on the fastest and with the most confidence are the ones who make their ex regret losing them the most. In fact, a study found that 74% of people who focused on personal growth after a breakup saw their ex reach out, realizing they made a huge mistake. If you've ever wondered how to get your ex to regret their decision, you're in the right place. This guide is packed with surprising strategies that don't involve begging or playing games. Instead, we'll focus on real, proven ways to build your confidence and create a life that's so amazing, they won't be able to ignore it. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to turn the tables and make them wish they never let you go. Keep reading to discover the secret steps that will make you unforgettable. Chapter 1: The Power of Self-Worth. Reclaim your throne. When a relationship ends, it's easy to lose your sense of self. But remember, the first step to making someone regret losing you is reclaiming your own value. Studies show that when you exude confidence, you naturally attract people to you. A survey by Psychology Today reveals that self-esteem is a top factor in relationship success. If you start believing in your own worth, others will too. Start by focusing on your strengths, hobbies, and passions. When you pour energy into the things that make you feel alive, you're not only improving yourself, but you're also becoming a person others want to be around. It's not about pretending to be perfect, it's about loving who you are and setting boundaries that reflect your value. Your ex will quickly notice the shift and wonder why they didn't see your worth earlier. Chapter 2: Emotional Independence. Let go to take control. Emotional independence is one of the most powerful tools in making someone regret losing you. It's natural to feel vulnerable after a breakup, but the key is not to rely on your ex for validation. When you stand on your own emotionally, you'll be seen as stronger, more attractive, and less dependent. A study by University of California found that people in relationships where one partner is emotionally independent tend to have more fulfilling connections. Start by building your own emotional resilience. This means acknowledging your feelings but not allowing them to control you. Engage in activities that boost your self-esteem and keep you grounded. Whether it's journaling, meditating, or focusing on personal growth, the more you can stand on your own, the less your ex will feel like they are the center of your world. They'll start to realize how much they've lost when they see that you're thriving without them. Chapter 3: The Secret of Mystery. Don't be an open book. Mystery is one of the most intriguing qualities that can make someone regret losing you. When you're too available or transparent, your value diminishes in the eyes of others. But when you maintain an air of mystery, it creates curiosity. In fact, psychologist Dr. John Gottman argues that maintaining a balance of openness and mystery in relationships leads to more emotional attraction. Stop sharing everything about your life, especially after a breakup. Let your ex see you living life to the fullest, but don't give away all the details. They'll start to wonder what you're up to, who you're meeting, and what exciting things you're experiencing. This curiosity will make them second-guess their decision to leave. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to regain your confidence and make your ex regret their decision. Chapter 4: Leveling Up. Your life, your rules. One of the most effective ways to make anyone regret losing you is by focusing on personal growth. The more you level up in life, the more you become someone your ex wishes they hadn't lost. Whether it's getting in better shape, learning new skills, or traveling the world, improvement in your life sends a strong message: you're better off without them. According to Harvard Health, people who invest in themselves are happier, healthier, and more successful. The key here is to focus on yourself, not out of revenge, but because you deserve it. Start new projects, push yourself outside of your comfort zone, and don't be afraid to show your ex the best version of you. As you get better in every area of your life, your ex will have no choice but to notice the transformation. They'll realize they had a front row seat to something amazing and they let it slip away. Chapter 5: Master the Art of Moving On. Be the one who got away. Moving on gracefully can make your ex regret the loss, but it requires a level of maturity and poise. According to author Dr. Laura Berman, moving on with dignity helps you heal faster and keeps your ex wondering what happened. When you don't chase after someone who's no longer interested, you send a message of strength and self-respect. Don't dwell on the past. Instead, invest your time in healing, focusing on personal growth, and becoming the best version of yourself. When you show your ex that you can move on with grace and confidence, they'll begin to regret losing you. They'll realize that they didn't just lose a partner, they lost someone who can thrive and succeed without them. Chapter 6: The Silent Rain. No contact, no regret. Sometimes, silence speaks louder than any words can. The no contact rule is one of the most powerful strategies in making your ex regret losing you. It may seem harsh, but it's about creating space for emotional clarity. Research shows that taking a break from communication after a breakup gives both parties the time they need to heal and reflect. The no contact rule allows you to regain control and start focusing on yourself. During this time, your ex will begin to miss you. They'll start to wonder if you've really moved on, or if you're secretly still holding on. Your silence will create a void they can't ignore. Eventually, they'll be the one reaching out, regretting the decision to let you go. Subscribe now to get the latest tips on moving on and turning your life around after a breakup. In conclusion, making someone regret losing you isn't about revenge, it's about growth and self-love. The more you focus on building your self-worth, becoming emotionally independent, and improving your life, the more your ex will realize they've lost something special. Use these 6 strategies to reclaim your power, and watch as they begin to regret their decision. Remember, the best way to make anyone regret losing you is by showing them how amazing life is without them.